Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, this is part 2. I did my nails. Of freezing my fidgets. Last video, I freezed my poppet. Well, I was being called at part 1 on freezing my fidgets. So it's been like 2 minutes since I did part 1. So that's why I'm still in the same outfit. Sorry, I left on my. That's why I'm still in the same outfit, and well, it's only so they're not frozen yet. So yeah, I just figured out you want to do it on put the water on the flat side, so it can get better. But then you also want the quiet side to get it good. So I'm gonna do it on the quiet side. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go. Put it in the freezer. So that's over. Now we still need to do my simple dimple. And my triple dimple. I'm just doing this for some reason. Especially on this one. Okay, so let's do it. Oh, it's not really working. That one's not working, so I'm just gonna throw as much water I can in that. The pink one's not working, but the blue one, well, it's working, it's just not water. Water's not good enough. So. Okay, that's good enough. My arm is like soaked. Oh, if you didn't see in part 1, here's my beautiful kitchen. Okay, so now my triple dimple. I think this will work easier because there's 3 in there deeper, so yeah. Yeah. The pink one and the orange one. Really? Had to do, okay, the pink one. Okay, so I guess the pink one doesn't like me. The blue and the orange like me. Blue really likes me. Well, orange really likes me if it was in other colors. So yeah. So I'm glad today's Saturday. So tomorrow I don't have to wait until I'm done with school. So yeah, but tomorrow's Mother's Day, so. And school's almost out. Yes, queen. I still need to get my rings, I forgot. So that's the whole video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe because I only have 13 or 14 subscribers. And please like because I'm the best. Just kidding. Probably other people are the best because I make bad YouTube videos. Okay, I'll stop being a baby. Yeah, comment down below if you want me to fidget trade with my sister. But my sister doesn't have any fidgets, so I can't really fidget trade. So, yeah. So, thanks for watching. Bye. Peace. Turn it off. Wait, no, I will. Okay, bye.